BMW M is celebrating 3 decades of open-air motoring by unveiling the new M4 Convertible Edition 30 Jahre. Available exclusively in Macao Blue or Mandarin II UNI, the limited edition model features a unique exterior with BMW individual high-gloss shadow line trim on the grille, side vents and M4 badges. The car also boasts exclusive 20-inch wheels which are decked out in a matte orbit gray finish. The unique styling continues in the cabin as models equipped with Macao Blue paint will feature two-tone merino leather seats with contrast stitching. Drivers will also find special floor mats, carbon fiber trim and 30 Jahre edition door sill plates. Last but not least, the passenger side dashboard trim strip will feature an individually numbered badge like the M3 Edition 30 Jahre. The car comes standard with the M competition package which adds a more direct steering ratio, an adaptive M suspension and an upgraded 3.0-liter TwinPower Turbo 6-cylinder engine that produces 450 PS, 331 kilowatts. The model also has an active M differential and an M Sport exhaust system. Production will be limited to 300 units and it remains unclear if the model will be offered in the United States.